Hi, welcome to the demo. So we're going to be DOSing the DualSense 5 controller, which you get with your PS5, using the USB protocol, more specifically using the set configuration flag. So it's connected to my Mac using this USB Type-C all the way over here. And as you can see on your screen, it's connected to the VM and it's working fine. You can test it out on this site, which is quite nice. So I have a script, the attack ds5.sh. So what this does is it prints out your argv1 string in Morse using these status lights and then the player lights and also the rumble function. This is accomplished using the library called dualsense. So okay, zero mode is for no DOS. If you set it to 1, it's a mild DOS attack. You can also measure the latency using this script. So I'm running it. So you can see the readouts. It's peaking at 27 milliseconds. And there's a live statistics of the gyro sensor, so which is nice, I guess. Okay, so if I just run it with the mild DOS, you can. Okay, if you just see the baseline, it's around 58 milliseconds peak latency. So if I just run it again, by the way, the peak latency is measured by checking all the intervals and all the reports and printing out the highest recorded interval. Anyway, so let's run it with the. It calculates the interval. So it calculates the latency when the process receives an interrupt, which is Control C in this case, and then a signal handler is run, and that's how it calculates it. Anyways, let's run the mild DOS. It's gonna bring DOS in. Okay, let's just. You should be okay. Now we're seeing some performance drops. It might appear fine, I guess, but I do see some drops. Yeah, there was one. So let's stop the DOS and see what's the peak we captured. It's 7,000 milliseconds, which is quite a lot if you're playing Battlefield 6. I should know. Anyways, so if we run with the max DOS mode and measure the latency, yeah, it is unresponsive, by the way. No inputs are being registered because the microcontroller is busy reinitializing all the interfaces and initialization stuff. Okay, so if I hit this, Control C, and then Control C over here. Look at that. You got around 20,000 milliseconds. Yeah, that's a lot. Yeah, so thanks for watching. This is the DOS demo. Thank you.